Hey guys, I'm Sunita. Today I'm going to show you some amazing bird photos that I clicked with my Nikon Coolpix V500. Say hi, say hi, say hi. I recently went to Bhagwan Bird Sanctuary and I met so many bright and colorful birds there. So I clicked them with my camera and I'm going to show those pictures. Stay on. If you like my video guys, give me a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And now enjoy the video. So guys, I'm going to show you some amazing bird photos that I clicked with my Nikon Coolpix V500 at Bhagwan Bird Sanctuary. But first let me come to the settings. I will shoot in the auto mode. Keep the highest image resolution. Auto white balance. ISO 100 to 400. Continuous high burst mode. Manual focus. And AF mode pre-focus. Now go to the setup menu and make sure photo VR is on. Turn off digital zoom. With these settings, we will start. So guys, I had a lot of fun at Bhagwan Bird Sanctuary with my Nikon Coolpix V500 and I hope you liked my pictures guys, and if you did, give me a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below about which vlogs you want to watch with my Nikon V500 next. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. Here is my previous vlog with the Nikon Coolpix V500. Please go check it out guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.